Thought I'd make this video because I couldn't find the information for myself anywhere on these little light switches that are widely used in RVs. It looks like it's made by this one. Let's see if I can read it here. American Technology Components, Elkhart, Indiana. It's 12 volt. Has pins on the back. You can see one of them is broken here because I had a single switch that broke, and I had replaced this one a while back with a triple. And so I wondered if I couldn't get that out of there and use it, just, you know, because we can't keep just throwing stuff in the landfill. Not sustainable. So I figured out, I didn't find anything on the internet, but I figured out if I take just a little screwdriver, sort of like this, and kind of awkwardly place it on there. It's hard to do this looking at the camera. And just give it a little whack, or maybe 2 little whacks. It pushes right out of there. And so I remove the good switch and this 2-banger that I don't need anymore. See, there's a good one there still. And I just pushed it up. Pushed it back in there. Oops, drifting away there. Here. Shove it, and it slides right in there and locks in. A little bit of tap, pops that out of there. I thought I was going to have to order a switch when I got home, but it turns out I had an extra one that I don't use, and now that's one project I don't have on my list when I get back from this trip.